right here in Bangkok. Just landed, did a one night stay. Cause we're on our way to Chiang Mai, baby. Night train, 14-hour ride. Hopefully it's worth it. And I'm gonna let you know. But right now, here's the view.
57.
We are at Prince Palace. Nice executive suite. Luxurious room, pretty big. Sorry about the trash in the back. We had a feast because we was in places where we couldn't get a couple things we have here. So I'll let you know how it goes.
So we just made it on the train. We're on our way to Chiang Mai. I think this is an evening train. Evening, night train, mid, but we'll know later. Got Babe over here. Yeah, we got a suitcase right there. Snack bags usually go up there. Fan provided. And I'll be sleeping up there tonight. We'll see how this goes. A little narrow, not too narrow.
I'm sleeping at the top.
We gonna see if he sleep at the top, okay?
I'm taking the top one.
At least they having fun.
Thank you. Okay.
เพื่อความปลอดภัยของท่านผู้โดยสารกรุณาอย่าใช้บันไดทางขึ้นลงจุดข้อต่อระหว่างขบวนรถเป็นที่ในการโดยสารอาจเกิดอันตรายต่อตนได้ครับจอดที่นี่
Most people can't fit on here with two people at the same time. Ooh, showing right now. But we in here.
No, we not.
We are in here. They supply comforters though, y'all. Like this is, I can dig with it. And he over there getting comfy. Trying.
Bro.
What you gonna tell the people?
Be single.
Oh. No, he did not. I could put him at the top bunk, and I told him I would go to the top bunk, but no, he wants me down here with him.
Y'all ever seen that scene from Step Brothers? If I go to the top bunk, it's gonna be me landing on her tongue. This is how we do it. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, I should have closed the top part.
I did.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
You awesome. He did it. Get you a good one. That was a 16-hour ride. I'm still tired, and we're still moving. The sun is coming up. We left yesterday at 2 p.m. It is currently a few minutes till 6 a.m. And next we need to get a cab or a Grab or a taxi or something like that. I got a stomach bug from eating food that I know I probably shouldn't even purchase. There's the sink area over there. I'm gonna sleep over here. But yeah, morning time. Not a bad ride at all. I just say that be expected to probably be 16 hours just in case if anything gets in the way. And be careful of the food that you may have purchased because your stomach might not be used to it. We finally landed. Chiang Mai. Tired. About to head to this villa. I'll check out tomorrow. One. Thank you. Call this somewhat like a bot bus. On our way to our place. Time for check-in. Definitely wear mosquito repellent, y'all. Oh, we finally checked in. View. Bathroom, shower, tub, window to the bedroom, closets. This place is called Austria. Balcony, bedroom, fully stocked kitchen, wash machine, dryer, huge refrigerator, aircon. Lounge area, balcony connecting to the bedroom, and yeah.